Hello everyone, we are in the 10th week of trimester 3. It is quickly going by. This is the second to last full week, so next week there's a day off on Monday for Memorial Day, and then a full week, and then it's the last week. So we are getting to the end. This is our last Start Early Literacy test before the end of the school year, so what we call is the fourth window. This gives us kind of a snapshot of how far they've come since the very beginning of the year and, kind of marking that progress. So you'll get information back in the blue data folder that at the end of the trimester. If you're curious to know, I will probably have all of the tests taken by this Friday, if not next week. So just go ahead and email me if you're super curious. In addition, we are going to be discussing plays. We're reading a play in our Super Kids book. We're discussing numbers 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 this week. We're going to be doing our biomedical unit for Project Lead the Way. I told the kids that we are going to be having them design and build their own cast. We're also going to discuss Memorial Day and Pentecost. If you have prize box items, we are running low, especially boy items. We got a lot of girl items from a birthday party from the Stahl family, so thank you. So just extra things for the end of the year because we are really working on that good behavior. In Super Kids, we're learning K, Q, and J. We're going to talk about the J sound, and we've been going through the long vowels, but really now some of the different things that go with that, like if there's a long vowel sound, there's a silent E at the end. We're blending sounds to make words and read words. We're reading and spelling memory words or sight words such as like and said. Recalling details and sequence of events. We're discussing fluency, so that natural phrasing, are they reading kind of like a robot, or if there is punctuation like a question mark or an exclamation point, are they using the proper tone? For writing, they're printing the alphabet. In addition, they're writing their own words. We wrote a few words today and we're working on those words. They're also going to be writing a story. So reading comprehension, you'll see in the homework packet today that there are words that they associate with pictures. They're going to answer questions about the story, describe settings, conclusions. So all those different things that we practice when we're reading and making sure that they comprehend them at the end of the story. So not just decoding, but comprehending it. Math, we're still doing those numbers. We're talking about it's Memorial Day, and in science, we're doing Project Lead the Way. You'll see in the homework there is a reading log. There was a packet. We're doing teen numbers. The word rings will go home, and I will also send the Chapter 7 enrichment packet on teen numbers tomorrow as well. So if you didn't get any of that, don't worry, it's going to come home tomorrow as well. We just got the main bulk of it today. So if I show you the calendar coming up, there's a PTO meeting this week at 6 p.m. There's no school next Monday. Food trucks are June 1st. Kindergarten coffee hour is Sunday the 10th of June, and I kind of wanted to give you a little preview on June 12th. We have our kindergarten awards. That's for parents to come and join us from 2 to 2:40, so right before they get out of school. And then the 13th is the kindergarten mass from 9 to 12, or 9 to 10. They also have awards after, and the kids get out at 10, so you just stay for the rest of the day. And then there's no daycare, but that's the last day of school, June 13th. So just to kind of remember that for Start Early Literacy, because it is one of the ways that we assess the kids. It gives us good information on where they're at, how much progress they've made, making sure that they go to bed early, eat a good breakfast, use the bathroom before school, because if we stop the test, sometimes it's because they have to go to the bathroom, that becomes an issue, and get to school on time. So just so you know, on the back of this, I put the letter J page, so some of the things that they're working on. It's also this Super Smart, it's about dinosaurs, so we're going to talk about dinosaurs and just some of those things. So have a good week.